as per our mission.
Sakaway kekenhun jang ki Pulit Langrut, kiladap ban pendep ya kejing syak hikai han Nongstoin Police Training Center. Ars pak khat wengut bakentop ya shispa khandai pulai ngut ki Langrut, bat khat prangut ki Nongbud, kiladap pendep ya kejing syak hikai menta kasngi, ha kene ke program balatip kum ka passing out parade jang ka 8 batch recruits constable, lawan ban yashim bentalang da ka Director General of Police ka Meghalaya, ikong Ida Shisha Nongrang.
Langrut and Pynmih.
So the 8th batch here today in Sopian, I have a special connect with you. It was raining a little bit harder than this when the decision was taken that we will go ahead and have the passing out parade in the auditorium. I was so glad when I reached the battalion headquarters and your commandant informed me that the boys have been spoken to and they all said we will go ahead come what may.
Katanat Indian Meteorological Department